Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's find the contact we'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me enter my contacts and let me pick Panda. And now we have to tap on this edit icon, which is right in the middle, kind of at the bottom of the screen. So let's tap on it and let's tap on this profile picture, the circle. As you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then our device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. So I will pick this option. So let me tap on it and let me pick this cute little panda. Let's tap on the stick icon to confirm, and right here we can change the position of the photo. As you can see, we can also zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle, highlighted square, is responsible for it. So after positioning it just like you want to, tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner again, and as you can see, a little panda will appear in this profile picture. So if you're ready, remember to tap on the tick icon again to confirm everything. And this is how our contact will look like. You will be able to see the photo on the contact list, or for example during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.